Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start by confirming the model and ensuring battery power. Do not proceed below 20%. Once ready, connect the phone to a PC with Samsung drivers installed. This gives access to recovery tools. Make sure you know the Google account used for the phone, because factory resets can trigger lock. Now, power off the device fully, then boot into download or recovery mode using the specific key combo for your model. This first step opens the tools we need to remove maintenance mode safely. Once in download mode, you can use Odin on the PC to reflash official stock firmware. This restores system partitions that enforce maintenance mode. If you're in recovery, use ADB sideload or the wipe cache partition option first. This can clear temporary blocks. Make sure to select files that match model and CSC. Mismatches cause errors. During flashing, watch progress and do not disconnect. If Odin shows pass, the system files were restored. If not, repeat with correct files or switch to recovery wipes. After a successful flash or cache wipe, reboot the device and complete setup. Sign into the Google account used previously to avoid activation lock. If maintenance mode persists, perform a full reflash using BL, app, CP, and CSC files matched to model. That often resolves deeper partitions. If flashing fails repeatedly, check for a correct PIT file and USB drivers. Make sure cable and ports are stable. One key tip: if you encounter boot loops or errors, stop and get Samsung.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.